Actually, I wanted to buy the big one, but I don't know. I'm very patient. I was patient with this one, and I will be patient with the big one because that's one that I really have my eye on. Hi everyone, it's Jason here with another video for you. I'm very excited. I just came back from my work and I found this huge box downstairs because last week I went on MART and I finally managed to order my big Labubu. And today it's here, so we're going to unbox it together. I am so excited. You have no idea how hard it was to get this baby because apparently it's always sold out. So it comes in this very big box. Let's check. Oh my God, I am so excited. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Okay. Oh my. Look at that, guys. Oh, I need to back off a little bit. Look at this. Look at the size of this box. So this is the Monsters Collection Flip with Me. And I mean, I am so excited. So let's open it. I can't believe I finally managed to get my hands on this one. So how do I open this? It's a little bit, okay. It comes here also with an original seal, as you can see here. And apparently, I'm not sure if we have to go on the website also to double check that this is a original. But of course, it is original because I bought directly from Mart. So of course, I believe it's original, just like the little one that I got some months ago. Oh my goodness. Let's do this. Oh my gosh. Come on. Oh my God. Look at this baby. Oh my, I can't believe this little one. He is so adorable. Look at this. And I had to find a name for him. So I decided to name him Boo-Boo. This is my Boo-Boo. And you guys are not going to believe this, but look at this. This one, wait. Oh my gosh. Look at this. He's got a pair of glasses. Oh my gosh. This is a little bit difficult to unpack, but let's do this very quick. Just 1 second. There are still a lot of things attached to him, so let me take them off. Oh my gosh. Okay, I finally got him out. And look at this beauty. Boo-Boo, you are so cute. And you guys have no idea how soft his head is. His fur is so cute. Oh my God. And he's so beautiful. And look at that. Apparently his eyes change. I think you can change his eyes. How do you do that? Let me check. 1 second. Oh yes. Okay. You just roll his eyes. Look at that. You just roll. Oh my God, oh my God, you are so cute. Let's put your glasses on, shall we? Because I guess you are a very smart baby. So we're gonna put your glasses on and see how cute you look. Oh, I have to be very honest. This thing is very difficult to get out of the box, but once it's out, it's the most adorable thing you have ever seen. Look at these glasses. Baby, let's put your glasses on because I believe you need glasses. Look at this. Oh my God. Guys, I'm so in love with Boo-Boo. Boo-Boo, you are the most adorable thing. This is Incredible. He is so sweet. And this is the one that I always wanted to have. I mean, I'm in love with the little one. He's sitting right there. But the moment I saw this on Pop Mart, I decided that I had to have it. And I put it on the wish list. And every time I got a notification that it was back on sale, I would go try to order it. And I got a message, it's sold out. And I said, no, this is incredible. I've been trying to get this one for months. And last week, I was waking up in the morning to go to work. It was 5:30 in the morning, and I picked up my phone and I saw this notification from Pop Mart. I just immediately went to Pop Mart, and guess what? He was available. So I ordered 5:30 in the morning. Call me crazy, but I needed to get him. So I was so happy, so elated that I finally managed to order him. And I was also thinking that it was going to take like months to get him, because the little one took me a month and a half to receive him. But as soon as I ordered him, the next day I got a notification that it was being shipped. And it took, because it's coming from China, so it took exactly like a week. And yes, and today he was at my work and I got the notification that he had been delivered. So here it is. This is Boo Boo. He is the friend of Bubblegum, because Bubblegum is my other Build-A-Bear. I love him. So he needed a little brother, and this is him. So this is Boo Boo. Say hi, Boo Boo. And this was the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Now, let me just enjoy my boo-boo. He is so adorable. Bye.